faces for the parents that might be unfamiliar on the call. So we thought we'd take some time to go through quickly and introduce everybody in the team. So Rohini is going to start us off. So Rohini, you ready?
Yeah, Abhishek. आकाश को आप खाने पीने के बारे में पूछो, पेड़ पौधों के बारे में पूछो या फिर जिंदगी के बारे में पूछो, he will always have something deep and something funny to share. Akash is a thorough example of social innovator. He looks for the way to make processes better and set up systems in an efficient way. He has been key in making sure that fellowship meets its goal and as a great platform for student development. He's extremely passionate about sustainability, whether it's about process designs or environment. I'm also constantly in awe of his ability to manage his time, and he manages to do on daily basis in his commitment to Ashoka and enterprise both. Ankita is an illustrator and digital marketing evangelist. She works with the enterprise and also runs digital marketing for her client, one of whom is Celebrity Fitness trainer in Mumbai. If you ask anyone at enterprise who they share their secrets with when they are feeling tired, emotional, down, the chances are of the answer is Ankita Didi. Yes, we are lovingly call her Didi. And Ankita is focused on the business of design, but also equally on the design of business. Um, she is always ready to roll up her sleeves and get into the details of things. Ask Ankita about. एक दो का कोई माँ बाप होता है वैसे एंटरप्राइज में सबका माँ बाप इज पलक and everybody is scared of her, including Adi. But that's just a story Adi likes to create about Palak. I'm really feeling in reality she is sweet, caring, and deeply spiritual. And when things get really out of control, Palak has that ability to keep everyone calm and get a grip. Palak is a finance person with the experience of growing a startup from 7 people to 900 people in a decade of hard work. Sayam. Okay. Sayam is someone who played multiple roles in enterprise ecosystem. He has been a partner and currently is a team member and fellow. He works on strategic and executing enterprise social media and support partners in the early. But most important, he is one of the most helpful and community-oriented people at enterprise. If you need any help, even if it is something remotely related to Sayam's role, he'll always be the first one in line to help. No matter what event is being organized by enterprise, Sayam always join and help make a calls, invite people. And guess Sayam is only 19. Vruddhi. Vruddhi has been interning with the enterprise and her sweet voice and sharp clarity has become a habit for all of us who work closely with her. She has been researching, reading, writing, storytelling, and helping us communicate the magic happening at enterprise with the word beyond. Brunmai help us to create magic out of pictures. What happens at enterprise must not stay only at enterprise and describes Brunmai's mission to take a good stuff happening here and share it with the world in the form of videos. Aniket. Man, look at his photo. Aniket is the Purist, which means everything that he does, he likes to do it absolutely perfect. He's perfectionist. Talk to him about any topic and he will start creating a mind map. Man, look at his photo. Aniket is the purist, which means everything that he does, he likes to do it absolutely perfect. He's perfectionist. Talk to him about any topic and he will start creating a mind map, checklist, and start creating technology roadmaps to help you make your vision into reality. Vishal has a heart of gold and fire in his belly that makes him want to get things done and great result. He has a super solid work ethics. With his day begins at 4 o'clock. He's super energetic person. Vishal juggles projects and activities for 3 different organizations and makes sure that he delivers on promises made. A sure shot mark of good salesman. Abhishek. Abhishek is curious, impact driven, and team oriented people we know. He is one of the fellowship coordinators who make sure that partners are always set for success. He's someone who really cares about the people he works with and he's always willing to help, not just in project but in life also.
Rohini is like, our mother hen here at Enterprise. She's completely omnipresent. She's always tapped in with all the different partners, always interacting with them, always aware of what's going on with each partner, how they're working towards their goals, what their goals are. And she juggles all these different roles really, really well. And also manages to go very deep into all projects. She's both jack of all trades and master of each project she wants to be, you know and she knows all the partners really well, and all the partners, I know, every time I talk to them, they really look up to her. And she's an extremely valuable addition to our, and very valuable member of our family. And she makes sure that everybody is accountable to whatever commitments they're taking on, and herself is always up for a challenge. She's a very good listener. She never says no for anything. She's always ready to tackle something. And she gets very on top of things. So even though she's been taunting me a lot this entire session, I have to say this also again, official intro. Mishri. So Mishri is currently a law student. She's the co-founder of Tutamentum and is also a fellow in the Enterprise India Fellowship. She's always looking for ways to create a positive impact and add value to partners' experiences and projects. She has always provided a very empathetic ear for the partners, allowing them to discuss whatever their challenges are and helping them figure out what steps they need to take to work towards tackling them. She has exercised this really well, I think, in one example where she hosted a series of communication workshops for the partners. And even though that happened like right before lockdown happened, within 1 week itself, she managed to transition the entire workshop plan into an online based thing, which all the partners really appreciated. So, yeah. We have KJ. So Khushbu is an engineering grad who decided to pursue marketing and food services. And she's also a fellow of the fellowship program. It's been really awesome to see how she gets involved on each project that she undertakes with these partners. She has her own full-time commitments, her own job, but yet she's really present in all the meetings, making sure that she's keyed in and aware of all the communications that are going on, and also lends a guiding and like participating hand as well. She was especially really helpful with getting the Fever of Treasure team, which we mentioned for the News Shuttle event. She was really instrumental in getting that team and project off from the ground and has helped really contribute turning it into what it is today. DG. DG is a character. What else should I say? He's also an engineering student. He's one of the co-creators of the Karo movement, #Karo, and he's also an enterprise fellow. He's a complete master of this Karo spirit. Like, you think Karo at Enterprise, you first think of DG, then you think of Adi's tattoo, and then you think of the big Karo board that we have in the space. His commitment is absolute, and his enthusiasm is like no bounds. During the lockdown, especially, he's organized so many different Karo workshops. Almost every week, I'm getting a message from him about a Karo workshop going on, and they're all always extremely valuable with some really good reviews coming out. And try this. Throw DJ a challenge. If your challenge is meaningful, the answer you're sure to get is ho jayega. And currently, him and Mishri are also working on co-creating a venture called Career Coach to provide information and guidance to students while making a decision about what stream to take in their college life. Ishan, unfortunately, I think Ishan had to go earlier, but he's very quickly become a very beloved member of the enterprise team. He's a very straight talking dude. He's super productive, and he's our go-to guy for keeping our projects on track right now. And he brings a very systematic approach to get like even the most abstract projects like very functionally like working. On the Chandrayaan project, which was like really abstract in that way, he's served not only like a catalyst for progress, but also he's been a bedrock, for ensuring that whatever progress is made is constantly happening and it's also significant. Lubaina. So Lubaina is an open and entrepreneurial and multi-talented soul who, she's aspiring to become a medical and public health professional herself, but she's an excellent content creator. She's currently helping facilitate the reflection for content creation process for all of the partners, which I'm sure some of you parents might have seen the blogs that your kids have shared with you. And she's giving a lot of feedback and really helping guide the partners in creating their blogs. Nisha. Nisha is one of the people who has sowed the seeds really for the supportive family-like culture that we have at Enterprise and constantly is watering those seeds also. She's an Enterprise fellow herself and is also one of the co-founding team members of Enterprise and has been a part of the marketing strategy and conceptualization, #start, #Karo, basically every project that is carried on from EP1 and so much more. She's excellent at seeing the goodness in people, and that's what makes her such a wonderful coach and team player. And working towards a goal, like when she worked with Archie, Shreya, Shiv, and Jags to invite people to #start, she was really instrumental in helping raise the 1 lakh rupees to support the Dal Chawal initiative. Yusuf is someone who listens, grins, and then listens some more, and then suddenly says something that makes so much sense. It blows everybody away. Along with Enterprise, he's also the co-founder of Boreali.com, an art and interior startup that has shot into the limelight in the last 2 years. Yusuf has the ability to get the best out of everyone through his gentlemanly ways, along with super high standards of performance. His heart beats for supporting young people, like you can see he said in his own bio, and get their basic fundas and work ethics right. And something we really believe is the root cause of finding happiness and success. Lastly, we have Adi. Adi is the pulse of Enterprise here. He's, again, very omnipresent and omnipotent through all the projects, workshops, everything that goes through like the Enterprise Fellowship. Everything that the partners do has some touch of Adi's that has helped guide it along the way. He's very sensitive of what each like partner team needs, and he's always striving to make sure that every meeting that he has, every point that he has of interaction, he creates something that is more meaningful than before. And one really cool example of this was in this third round of content creation that we're doing. He was just there for like a couple of minutes in one of the meetings and instantly brought a volcano of ideas, and all the entire process that had been in its third iteration became even more reflective and meaningful.